So this is actually my favorite pose. And all you do, you're just trying to get reverse blood flow, and you're really upside down through this. So put a block right underneath your lower back, put your feet up.
And sometimes, I know this is towards the end of our sequence, but if you're just having a stressful day and you want to reverse the flow of the blood, find a block, sit on it, take a deep breath, maybe 100 deep breaths. This could be a nice meditative pose as well. Or you can put your feet up against the wall.
Yeah, I like to imagine a river flowing through my feet, down my legs, and out through my arms while doing this.
Spinal twist. So try to keep your shoulders on the ground and take one leg at a time and twist in the opposite direction. And what I'm gonna need, because I can't twist all the way to the ground, is blocks. Again, just let that leg rest on a block and breathe that oxygen into your lower back. And when that starts getting easy, again, we can start moving that block. Some people like to look the other way. I just like to look straight up, just so I know I'm getting all the deep breaths that I can. And before we switch, grab onto your knees, rock a little bit side to side. Legs back out. Take my block, other direction. Use me, my wife. Arms out. And get that release here in your lower back. Again, moving.
This way, you'll notice a gap between his legs as well, so a block can be nice.
I'm gonna block between my feet. Which one between my feet?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, this is really nice. There's different ways to do Savasana, but what I like to do, just again, try to get those shoulder blades underneath, chest nice and open.
Take up space here.
Take up space. Palms up. The energy flow into your body. And this is where we're getting our deep breaths for the day. Letting any sort of negative energy flow through you now. We don't need a lot of modifications for this because we hopefully spend 8 hours a night in this position. Final resting pose. You are whole and complete, exactly as you are. You have nothing to fix. Anything is possible. Now come to one side, fetal pose. Sometimes I like to have a block here for fetal pose. And up to a comfortable seated position. Again, I get my blocks, top of block. Nice crisscross applesauce, no pressure on my knees. Palms up. Hands to heart center. And thumbs up to the middle of your forehead. And together we say, Namaste.